In today's video, I am going to teach you how to force dark mode on all websites in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can access the main menu without any delay. If Chrome is already open, that is perfectly fine. You can simply continue from your current window or tab. Once Chrome is open, move your attention to the upper right corner of the browser. You will see the menu icon with 3 dots. This is the main Chrome menu, and it gives you access to many of the browser's built-in options and settings. Click those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. After the menu appears, look for the Settings option and click on it. This will open Chrome's Settings page in a new tab. The Settings area is where you can control how the browser looks and behaves, so this is the right place to start when you want to change display-related options. Inside the Settings page, find and select Appearance. This section controls visual elements in Chrome, including themes and the general look of the browser. When you open Appearance, you will be in the part of Chrome where display customization begins. Take a moment here to review the options carefully. The Appearance section is useful because it helps you adjust how Chrome presents content and how comfortable it feels during everyday use. If you are trying to reduce eye strain, especially in low light, this is an important area to become familiar with. As you go through these menu areas, it is a good idea to move slowly and make sure you are clicking the correct option each time. Chrome settings are straightforward, but taking an extra second can help you avoid confusion and make the process smoother. If your browser window is small, you may need to scroll a little to see everything clearly. These simple navigation steps are the foundation for adjusting Chrome's visual behavior. Once you know how to reach the appearance settings, it becomes much easier to explore options related to themes and display preferences in the future as well. That covers everything you need to know.